Hello, and welcome to lesson 1 of the Introduction to Urban and Peri-Urban Forestry. In this lesson, we look at a number of basic concepts. My name is Thomas Randrup, and I'm a professor in urban open space management and head of subject for landscape governance and management at the Swedish University of Agricultural Sciences. During my career, I've studied and promoted the role of urban green spaces, and especially the role of urban trees. Urban forests play a crucial role in supporting urban ecological and social systems. This fact is today recognized in public policy commitments in most parts of the world. The amount of provision, the distribution of green space or urban forest, and the ease of access to such spaces are key contributors to social and ecological functions in urban environments. To appreciate the concept of urban forest and to work with urban forestry, it's important to start with understanding what exactly urban forestry is. A shared understanding ensures we work together towards achieving the social ecological benefits that urban forest actually can offer us or deliver to us. It's important to recognize that the term urban forestry is subject to interpretation and may also change across professional backgrounds and geographical locations. Urban forestry as a term that was actually first mentioned in the United States as early as 1894. And the concept underwent a revival during the 1960s as a comprehensive and interdisciplinary approach to the specific challenges related to growing trees in urban environments. And characteristically, it was the Society of American Foresters who defined urban forestry back in the early 70s as the art, science, and technology of managing trees and forest resources in and around urban community ecosystems for the psychological, sociological, economic, and aesthetic benefits trees provide society. Urban forestry in Europe has built strongly on century-long traditions of town forestry, but has evolved to include many green professions from planners, landscape architects, ecologists, and foresters who address urban forestry as another term for urban greening. Other terms include green infrastructure and lately also nature-based solutions. Globally, definitions of urban forestry and urban forest have become more comprehensive, including all tree stands and individual trees in and around urban areas, and even incorporating non-woody vegetation, such as park. A more universal definition is provided by the Food and Agricultural Organization of the United Nations, and it reads like, urban forest as networks or systems comprising all woodlands, groups of trees, and individual trees located in urban and peri-urban areas. Urban forests therefore include forest, street trees, trees in parks and gardens, and trees in derelict sites. Urban forests are the backbone of the green infrastructure and nature-based solutions, and bridge rural and urban areas and reduce the city's environmental footprint. As you engage with this lesson and the other lessons in this module, I think it's important to adapt a wide approach to what an urban forest may be or how it can be managed. To solve these major societal challenges that we see today, such as climate change and biodiversity loss, we need to approach the planning, application, long-term management of urban forest in a multi-scale, multidisciplinary, and super integrative approach. So I hope you will enjoy this lesson and be inspired to your future interactions as an urban forestry planner and manager.